and namaste. This reading is for the zodiac sign Taurus and for the month of January 2021. And the cards which I have drawn is here it goes. The first card which I have drawn for Aries is the card Travel, and the keywords it is denoting is journey, path, and location. So Aries, this is the time for you to relocate yourself, in a new city, or shift your home to a new land which you were planning from long time, or you if you are planning for a job somewhere abroad, then this is the correct time for you to relocate. So you need to check which path to go. The time which you have spent thinking about taking a decision for a very long time, I think this is the time for you to take a decision, and I feel that it is going to benefit you. So don't be hesitant whether to take this decision or not, whether to quit the job or not, whether to start a new venture or not. This is the perfect time for you to go ahead with it. The second card which I have drawn for Aries is the card High Priestess. This is the very beautiful card, Aries, which shows your inner power, which shows the secret hidden in your heart, the desires in your heart, the intuition which you always had but you never trusted on it. So this is the time for you to trust your intuition, to develop your intuition, to listen to your inner voice which is telling you to take the decisions which are pending from long time. So I feel High Priestess is the perfect sign for you to take up some kind of meditation to enhance your intuition power, to connect to yourself, and spend some time alone so that you can easily hear your inner voice which is wanting to tell you so many things, and kill your inner demons which do not allow you to listen to your voice. So meditation, practicing meditation, yoga is something which you can do, and I feel that it will help you um, connect yourself. Then the third card which I have drawn for you, Aries, is our beloved Lord Krishna. So here it is an indication for you, Aries, that he is telling you to go ahead. Reading Bhagavad Gita is something wherein you can connect to your inner self. This knowledge of Bhagavad Gita will surely be a life-changing path for you, and I feel that intellectually, mentally, spiritually, on all levels, he is going to help. So please bring his qualities in your life, as Krishna is. He is beloved of everybody. So I think he is the Supreme Lord and we should look up to him. So I feel that bringing this Lord in your life will surely change. And especially reading Bhagavad Gita verses, it will help you, it will benefit you in taking so many decisions which is long pending, and the knowledge which he will impart in your life will be something life changing. So the next card is the card Parvati, Queen of Aesthetics. So she is a beloved goddess of Shiva. So here the mantra is, so the mantra goes like this: Sarva Mangala Mangalle Shive Sarvada Sadike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute. So if you pray to Goddess Parvati, she will help you in defeating your enemies. She will give you strength to overcome all the obstacles, and she will bestow you with a spiritually powerful life partner. And the next card is the card Sun. See, this card is denoting that this month is going to be a very clear month for you. It will give you a lot of clarity in all the things which you want to pursue. The decision which is being pending for a long time, you're going to take that decision, and it will bring a lot of happiness, a lot of clarity, a lot of success. You will be overall, this month for you, Taurus, will be a very good month. See, the spell card is giving you the healing spell, which is asking you to do some rituals. So here the ritual is, you can just go through the ritual and do this ritual and take the benefit out of it. That is sleeping on crisp, clean, herb scented sheets. Always make from the soundest sleep and delicious dreams. Here is a potion for dreamers. 4 drops of lavender oil, 3 drops of chamomile oil, 3 drops of orange oil, 4 ounce of distilled spring water. Shake the oil and water in a colored glass spray bottle or mister. 15 minutes before you recite, spray your bed linens, bath towel, pillow, and all around your room. You may want to keep a dream journal by your bed to record what's happening during the night. So, Taurus, this was your reading for the month of January, and I hope all the good luck and wishes. So these were your cards. One glance on your card: Travel, High Priestess, Krishna, Mata Parvati, and the Sun card, and ultimately you had a healing spell which you can make a small ritual and just do this spell. You will surely be you will surely feel good. So Taurus, if you want my consultation, you can contact me. I'll give you my number in the description. Thank you for watching this video.